This video serves to show you how to add a piling rig as a new piece of plant to your PlantGUARD account. When you first log in, go to the Plant tab on the left side of your screen under Dashboard. This opens the plant table. Each piece of plant has its own row, but to the top right corner you'll see a white button, Add Plant. Simply click on this, and this is where you add the attributes about this new piece. If it's got an internal ID, let's call it 2. This is completely arbitrary for this demonstration. Put an image in, a VIN serial, again arbitrary. Road registered, yes or no, this case no. Now the make model here, you can type to search our database. If it's not in there, simply tick the box, don't see your make or don't see your model. In this case, I do need to put it in as not in our system, 70, and for the type, simply start typing the word piling rig, that'll come up. Press next. And this brings up extra plant attributes. Again, in this situation, you don't need to add anything here. We're just about getting the plant into the system. So simply skip this section. Very important here that you do tick the box yes and tick the box MTM, as MTM are the custodians of this rollout, and press continue. Now this is going to ask you for a couple of extra confirmations about this piece of plant. It creates the plant in the system, but very important to answer these questions here. Now it is a piling rig. Now it is yes, so you must answer yes to that question. Does it go on rail? Is it high rail? No in this case, so press no. If you press yes, you're going to have to go through a whole extra set of assessments with Metro to be working on as track maintenance vehicle. But in this case, it's no for rail vehicle, yes for the piling rig. Simply press next. Confirm the modifications you made. Piling rig, yes it is. A rail vehicle, no it's not. Confirm this, and what that's going to do is now open up the actual application. Just let it go through its paces there for a second. And now it opens up this, and one of the things you're asked to do here is to provide a photo of the sticker. So let's do that. I'm going to upload an image as an example. The sticker there, complete the form. Now this will submit and close the current form. Are you sure? Yes. Now what you're going to get asked on this sticker, expiry date, you need to find the expiration date as shown on the piling rig assessment approval sticker. Now let's assume that this, again arbitrary, let's go into 2019, let's say it's 2020 and January the 10th. So let's the expiration date on that sticker, submit that. Now you'll receive notifications about statuses, updates, so please ensure notifications enabled in your account settings, that's fine, and simply press OK, and this submits it to MTM and the committee for review. Now you'll see it show up in this row here. Let me just expand this out, and as you can see, if you put your cursor over these, this plant is awaiting review. So very important here. If we click on that, and then you can see that actual piece of plant is in the system, it's awaiting review, and now there's nothing else you need to do as a user putting this into the system or as a contract or supplier. Just wait for the application to be reviewed. Thank you.